CEO Joanna Geraghty. Welcome to you both. Phil?
Kelly, thank you very much. Joanna, thanks for joining us today. I'm curious, Q2, smaller than expected loss, but still wider than last year. And yet, when I listened to your conference call with analysts today, you guys were very bullish. You said this is an inflection point in terms of turning towards profitability. Why do you believe your turnaround is taking hold?
Thanks, Phil. Great to be here today. First, I want to thank our crew members for a strong quarter. Obviously, fuel has been a big headwind this year, but as we think about this inflection point, we're starting to see the industry really gain some pricing power, coupled with strong demand. And then, frankly, our JetForward plan really working and paying off. The initiatives that we've launched are starting to have a cumulative effect, and that's giving us confidence to reinstate our full-year guide and also go out with $1 of EPS in 2028.
And that's on the cost side. A lot of the JetForward is you're reaping rewards there on the cost side. But on the fare side, you've raised your fares, and you expect to raise fares even further in the second half of this year. Do you have a percentage in terms of how much more you believe fares will go up?
Yeah, we're not talking about raising fares in the second half of this year. At the end of the day, airfare needs to keep pace with inflation. Beginning of this year, it was actually 30% lower in real terms versus 2019. We've seen about a 10% improvement. So it still is 20% in real terms behind where it needs to be to reflect the price of inflation over the last several years. So at the end of the day, we need to ensure we're covering the input costs for the business. That's fuel, that's labor, that's maintenance, that's airport rents and landing fees. And that's, airfares are really affordable, and we look forward to continuing to welcome more customers aboard JetBlue with affordable fares, but we need to cover those input costs.
You won the auction for the Spirit slots at LaGuardia. You've expanded, essentially taken up a lot of the open space that was available in Fort Lauderdale after Spirit's demise. I think the people look at this and they say, is JetBlue now at a place where it has the size and the scale that it needs to be really, truly the East Coast carrier of preference for a lot of people?
Our goal is to be that East Coast carrier for preference. We're still 5% of the domestic seats, though. Fort Lauderdale presents a wonderful opportunity for us to better serve customers in South Florida and Broward County. LaGuardia provides an opportunity for us to provide a more robust schedule for customers flying between New York and South Florida. And then obviously our Blue Sky partnership gives our customers more relevance as a smaller airline, having that ability to provide more opportunity for customers to use their TrueBlue program around the world is part of how we're trying to gain scale.
Kelly here back in studio. Joanna, you could have been a bigger airline if they let you have Spirit, just saying.
We could have been a bigger airline with Spirit, but we were dealt that set of cards, and we're navigating through it. And I think this is a big inflection point. We have JetForward, our turnaround program, a series of revenue initiatives and cost initiatives. We're 2 years in, and we are starting to see all of those take hold. We'll be launching Blue First later this year. That'll ramp into 27 and 28. And that's going to drive meaningful earnings for the company, giving us confidence to go out with that $1 of EPS in 2028.
Joanna, Phil again here. I'm curious. You mentioned the Blue Sky partnership with United Airlines. Scott Kirby seems to be itching for a merger. Clearly, he's floated out the possibility of American. There are reports that he made an outreach to Ed Bastian at Delta and said, what about United and Delta? Has he ever come out and said to you, look, I think United should buy JetBlue?
Yeah, at the end of the day, Scott has a lot of opinions about M&A, and we're focused on our JetForward plan. Those are the things that we can control. We've been at it for 2 years. It's starting to gain meaningful traction. And at the end of the day, we spent several years going down the path of Spirit, and we need to be focused on our organic strategy and delivering our earnings for our shareholders and building a great, strong company for our crew members.
I understand what you're saying, Joanna, and I understand you're focused on yourself. But to get back to my question, has Scott Kirby ever approached you and said United should buy JetBlue?
So we've never spoken with Scott about M&A. We've really spoken a lot about our Blue Sky partnership and how we can really bring that to the next level. There's a ton of opportunity for us to get closer and continue working together. We just launched cars on our Paisly platform for United. We'll be launching hotel ancillaries, vacation ancillaries this year. We've got our loyalty reciprocity now out there, and we're selling United fares on JetBlue.com and vice versa. So we're focused on our partnership and making that as strong as possible. And then obviously our Jet Forward plan and trying to get JetBlue back to profitability through that.
And Blue first.